Hi creators, and welcome to another video. Today I decided to do something that goes with the season, and that's Valentine's Day. So a lot of you are looking for options. You're probably on a budget. You probably don't want to go outside to spend anything. So you're looking for something that you can give to your special someone or anyone that you want to show love to. Something that's still beautiful, but is easy to share and easy to do. So I got some options for you right here in Canva. It's going to be very easy. We're going to make a Valentine's Day card and Valentine's Day video. And I'm just going to show you all the things that you can do. Of course, I always tell you go out there, be creative, and make something that has your stamp on it with this easy tool. Now for anyone that's never used Canva before, you just go to canva.com right here and sign up for an account. You're able to use a free account or go pro with a small fee. And honestly, if you're someone that's going to create graphics anyway, go for Canva Pro. It's so worth it. I can't live without it. I currently have the pro version, but a lot of things I'm going to do, you're going to be able to do that in the free account too. Some features won't be available to you, but you can still be creative and make something great. So let's start with a card first. Now let's click here. Let's type in card. And now you got some options. Now you're able to actually do printed cards with Canva, but honestly it doesn't make a much of a difference. What we're looking for is just the size. So we're going to just work with the template that we're given. And right here in Canva, you'll see there are tons of cards. And of course, Canva always knows all about the season and will give you options that you can work with. Now we're just going to go the template way and choose something that's cute. So I like this one, We're Better Together. Or let's go here with the Will You Be My Valentine card. Now once you go into Canva, if you've never used it before, it's very simple to use. Over here on your left, you're going to see all your tools. And this is for your ability to customize your card. So over here you have the templates, just like the one we have on the screen. Uploads is where you're able to bring in your images and make something of your own. You have photos. These are photos that are given to you by Canva. You get most of this with the Pro feature. Elements is where you can really get creative with lines, shapes, frames, stickers, everything to make your thing looking unique. Some things will be free and some things will be Pro. Next, again, you have text templates. So what's great is right out the box, I call it, Canva will give you these options to use their templates. Or you can just go with text and start from there. Styles, it's more about color palette, if you're working with a brand. And then audio is great because we're going to add this to our card. We can actually add music and make this a video. So you have so many options when working with Canva. Video, background. This is where you're able to add some, variation in your backgrounds. You don't want it to be so plain. You can click on a background just like that and it will change it. So we're not going to keep that right. But just want to show you how to use it. Folders and more. Nothing that we need to do right now. You can always get into the software and look around for yourself, but at least you'll know this is where you'll find your tools. Up here you have the animate button that comes in the Pro version. This is where you're able to change your background color over here. And when you click on elements, that's when you get options to edit. So me clicking on this cat or clicking on the text will bring up different tools, kind of looking like, your text tools that you have in like Word, for instance, and clicking on the image will give you options to like flip or crop. So it depends on what you're going to do. So we're not going to do much changes to this because this is pretty cute as is, right? This is why you're using Canva, because you're probably not an artist like me and you still want something beautiful, and Canva is going to give you that. But what we can do is make this personal. So here we have like it says, let me treat like a princess's Valentine, hoping for a yes, Jonathan. Now, if your name isn't Jonathan, you can easily change this by just typing in your name. Maybe you don't like this font and you want it to be brighter, bolder. You're able to highlight the whole font. And over here, you're able to choose your text type. So you can go with something bold, and this looks pretty good. Like it's even more clear in my eyes. I'd probably go with something like this. So basically you're able to do anything you want. You do have the realm to change it. You don't like the color, hit on color, and this is where you're able to just choose what you like. Or you can create a new color right here and play with this and get exactly what you want. It's really up to you to be able to decide exactly what you want, customize it, and when you're happy, you're good to go. Now, one of the features I wanted to show is the ability to add music. So now you kind of have the card here, and we want to, send it off not just as a card, but as a video. So first we're gonna add some audio, and let's see, over here you have some free music that you're able to work with. This is one of my favorites, ukulele song. Let's just play it. It's nice, it's sweet. So all you need to do is pull the song into the frame, and now it's in the frame. Now you're able to make some small edits to this. You might want it to be not so loud, so you're able to, change the volume. And basically you'll be able to decide how long the video is, and that will determine how long you play it for. You really don't have options to, cut and edit the audio that much. And that's because this is really a, content software that's giving you an audio feature, so we can live with it. So next we want to put some life into this whole thing. So we're going to click on the animate button to see what we'll be able to do. You're going to have some standard animations that you can add to your card. So let's just click and see what happens if we choose, for instance, this block animation. Let's choose breeze. See, now you're getting some type of zoom here. Let's see tumble. See, it's pretty fun. So like you're playing the music and it's tumbling at the same time. Or drifting. I kind of like that. So when you do that, what you're able to do is also decide how long it will be doing this for. So let's change, we could change that to like, let's go 10 seconds. See if we're able to do that. Click done, and let's see what happens. Aww, that's so cute. So you're able to send this card as is or as a video. You didn't have to go somewhere else to create two different files. Everything happens right here. Now you might be wondering, how do I get it as a video versus a card? Now here is where you do that magic. Hit that download button, and immediately it gives you the MP4 or video option because we added some animated elements to our card. So if you wanted to make a video, you hit MP4 video and download, and you'd get the video. Maybe you just want to keep the card. Here are your options. You can save it as an image file or a PDF, a GIF if you wanted to, so that's that in between the video and picture. So these are all your download options. Up here you're able to rename your card if you want to call it, with love from Steve. That's just the name of the file. That's just me being cute right there. Some other options that you're able to do is maybe you want to do this live with someone. You can also share the link, so you don't have to download anything. Share a link, and that person will be able to see that card right then and there, right there from that link, which is pretty cool, pretty convenient. And if you want to go that extra mile, you're also able to print directly from Canva, which is so awesome. I've used their service before. I've done a review on one of those t-shirts. You'll see the link here. And it was good. I had a good experience with the print. I've never done cards before, but I think if they can do t-shirts and they come out great, cards shouldn't be that hard. So you're able to see that you can do so many things with Canva, create so many different types of content with just one thing that you made. So if you're really wanting to show this person, hey, I love you digitally, then you're definitely looking for an option here in Canva. And that's it. That's it for me. I hope that you learned a lot. I hope that you found an option that you can create something that's beautiful for Valentine's Day for that person, that special person in your life. And I have to ask, if you like what you see, please subscribe. It goes a far way in motivating me to make more videos like this for you. And I never end without saying, thanks for watching.